Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes stock of situation arising out of excessive rainfall. Minister in charge of Agriculture Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdaw assured to take up the farmers' issue with Chief Minister. Janta Hills Regional Committee will submit its report to the state government by the end of July, says Deputy Chief Minister Sneobha Langdhar. And JHADC passes the official resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today took stock of the situation in the wake of excessive rainfall in parts of the country. Modi spoke to senior ministers and officials about it. In a tweet, Prime Minister's office said local administration, National Disaster Response Force and State Disaster Response Force teams are working to ensure the well-being of those affected. Yesterday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah spoke to Lieutenant Governors of Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi and took stock of the situation arising out due to heavy rainfall. Minister in charge of Agriculture Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdaw on Monday said agriculture products should be isolated and insulated from taxing. Talking to the media after holding a meeting with a farmers group, Dr. Lingdaw said the farmers have complained that too many authorities collect too many kinds of road tax and it is killing the farmers' business. The minister, however, has assured to take up the farmers' issue with the Chief Minister. She said multiple departments are involved in this.
Authorities collecting too many kinds of road tax, and it is killing the farmers' business. Farmers are ours. How can you tax your own farmers? How do you expect farming to be lucrative if farmers have to pay huge amounts of money to different gates? Indigenous most of the time, I'm told. We have to talk about this. We have to be mature. You have to support your farmers.
Deputy Chief Minister, who is heading the Regional Committee for West Janta Hills, Sneobha Langdhar, has informed that the Janta Hills Regional Committee will submit its report to the state government by the end of July. He said the Regional Committee is on the job to find data about number of villages, population, about Aadhaar and other details. The detailed report will be submitted by the end of this month.
Anything from Meghalaya, you are on the job. From Assam, I don't know. But when they ready a report, when we receive a report, both to the state government, and the state government will take a call. But also now they are doing our local exercise. So in that areas of different, I have told my officer, go and find out what is there, how many villages, what are the population, from where to obtain the developmental schemes, what are the Aadhaar, what are the waters, what are the tribes. Now they are on the job.
The JHADC today unanimously passed the official resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code within the areas falling under the Council during the summer session. The resolution was moved by JHADC CEM Thombor Shiwat, who said that the Executive Committee has decided to bring this official resolution after learning that there is a move from the centre to implement the UCC nationwide. The Council members are concerned over this move of the centre as it may affect the special status of being the 6th schedule under the Constitution of India. Earlier, the Jaintia students' movement staged a protest at the JHADC campus demanding the removal of the Assam entry tax gate which was set up at Khanduli. On this issue, leader of the opposition Andrew Shulai brought the attention of the House in the form of a question and a reply, seeking to know if it is a fact that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has claimed that Khanduli village in West Jaintia Hills falls under its jurisdiction. In response, Executive Member in charge F. Bare replied that Khanduli village is under the jurisdiction of the JHADC under the Thalasken Block West Jaintia Hills district of Ilaka Nongjni with its Wahet Shnong recognized by the JHADC as per the Wahet Shnong Act 2015. Kinshi Hydroelectric Power Project KHEPP, which is located in the West and Southwest Khasi Hills district, has the potential to generate 290 megawatt of electricity. However, the land acquisition process has been delayed by the state government's revenue department. On Monday, the Landowners Association under the umbrella of the Sinjuki Nongsanchar Shnong, Warsan Lingdo Sangriang and Maupon area, which will be affected by the project, had raised the issue on this matter. Rosha Marthong, Vice President of the Sinjuk, said that the Kinshi Hydroelectric Power Project Stage 1, which has been allotted to the private firm, completed the investigation and a detailed project report DPR in 2012.
Nakutaka kakamba ni golden hanika wa shi ga domin maganin project kaba muni wa chimutoi kidan tumba kishnong kuma pragli kishnong kibadan hasnda tu project kibangar ki chakla ni project kimron slok do menta pada ini pada pentra ini project kini kishnong para kimyo pantai da slok.
Now let's have a look at the weather report. The maximum temperature was 26.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 21.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 79% while in the evening was 67%. The forecast, light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes stock of situation arising out of excessive rainfall. Minister in charge of Agriculture Dr. M. Amparian Lingdo assured to take up the farmers' issue with Chief Minister. Jaintia Hills Regional Committee will submit its report to the state government by the end of July, says Deputy Chief Minister Sneaw Bhalang Dahar. And JHADC passes the official resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. And that's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.